I'm obsessed with these customized cards. They are such good quality. I was a little bit nervous because I feel like customizing cards is like a challenging thing to do without them being like feeling cheap quality, but these are amazing. They're nice and thick. And I was able to customize each number throughout the deck. It came in this cute little carrying case. I actually gave it as a gift to my husband and he loves it. I went with like a dog theme because my dogs are a huge part of my life. And the quality is actually really good. Like the picture quality is just insane. And you get to choose as many or as little picture customizations as you want. So we have some other ones in here too. So like the fives are the same picture, and you can clearly tell 5 of hearts versus 5 of clubs. But they're so cute. I just love them. I think it's such a great gift idea. If you have someone that loves playing cards or board games or things like that, it's a very sentimental and customized gift, but also something super simple and easy to do. So love it. I am so impressed. This is the cover of all of them, the picture of both my dogs. I love it, and my husband loves it even more. This brand actually sent them to me to review and test out, and they are our new favorite playing cards. Every time we pull them out and look at them, we just love like talking about the memories and stuff. So they're amazing, great quality, and a great price too.